Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. We beat to Dr. Adi. So today we are from Group 1 are going to present about the matrices in engineering application. Before that, let me introduce to you the members of our group. So the first member is me myself. My name is Afika Izzati binti Sundusin, matrix number 208232.
Salam and greetings to Dr. Adi. So my name is Nurin Shazana binti Abdul Hamid and matrix number is 207071. We will begin our presentation with our first presenter, which is Afika.
The math topic that we have chosen to use to do the application is about the matrices. Without further ado, let's get started. In this presentation, we're going to talk a lot about cryptography. What is actually cryptography? So, cryptography is used to secure and protect data during communication, and encryption and also decryption are the two essential functionalities of cryptography. Next, we will have the introduction. So, we have two types, which is encryption and decryption. So, encryption is the transformation of data into some unreadable form, and then we have on the other side decryption, which is about the transformation of encrypted data back into some intelligible form. So, we have the problem statement here. The COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak has put most countries around the world, including Malaysia, on lockdown and has crippled economic activity across the globe. In line with the crisis, Warner Company has conducted a contest that is open for all the university students in Malaysia to deliver some important messages to the public. The winner of this contest will win 3 boxes of masks and hand sanitizer supply. This competition is to solve a mystery by revealing the hidden message in cryptography form. The encrypted messages X and encoding matrix A is given as follow: 58, 64, 42, 83, 65, 49, 50, 66, and also 43. And then we have the encoding matrix A here, 3, 0, 1, 1, 2, 5, and also 1, 1, 3. Alright, we will have the problem solution. How we are going to solve the problem? We have two ways, which is the first one, we have to inverse matrix using a join method, and then the second one is multiplication matrix. Okay, why are we using this method? We are going to explain about this, okay? Alright, let's see how this thing will work. Okay, firstly, we will let A as the encoding matrix, and then we let D as the decoding matrix, X as an encrypted messages, and then we will have the equation AD equals to X, and then to find D, we will have to multiply both sides with the inverse of A. So, at the end of the day, we will have the solution D equals to inverse A times X. Next, I will pass to my teammate Nurin.
Okay, thank you, Afika. So just now, Afika has briefly explained on how to obtain the decoding matrix D. So in the upcoming slide, it is my turn to explain the calculation steps. Okay, so first, here we have the equation derivation. So this one is just the same as the slide before. So we're gonna look at the steps. So first step, we need to find the determinant and adjoint of matrix A. So next step, we need to substitute the value obtained from step 1, which is the determinant and adjoint A, into the formula of inverse matrix. So the next one, we just need to rewrite the actual value of A inverse into the equation to find matrix D, which is the equation beside the step here. So next step, we just need to break the encrypted message X into a sequence of 3 by 1 matrix. So next step, we just solve the matrix D with the multiplication of A inverse matrix and matrix X. So the last step, we just have to expose the hidden message using the numerology table and just rewrite the final answer. So in this slide, we're going to show you the basic guidance on how to find the determinant of matrix. So as you can see here, the general formula of determinant. So the red one, we put the plus minus sign, and then the red one will be the number on the in front matrix. We're gonna hide the first row B and C and first column DG, and just multiply with the blue one. So multiply will be the cross one, okay? So after doing that, we just repeat the multiplication of B and C, just like the step of A. And then just add them all and get a value. Just like step 1, we're given the matrix of A and we need to find the determinant of A. So just put the number, first row number, 301, and then put the plus minus sign and do the cross multiply and just solve the operation. So we will get a value of 2. So the next step, okay, for the adjoint A, we just need to calculate the adjoint like the determinant step. Okay, so for the determinant step before, we have the numbers in front of the matrix, right? But for adjoint, we just need to put this plus minus sign for all the matrix given. Okay, after that, we just multiply as usual and solve the operation of the multiplication, and then we will get this adjoint A value. But it doesn't end here. The adjoint will use C transpose to get the final adjoint, which C transpose will involve the first column to interchange with the first row to interchange with first column. So this first row will change to be the first column, and the second row will change to be the second column, and also the third row will change to be the third column. So for step 2, we will find the A inverse using its formula, which is 1 over determinant A multiplied by adjoint A. So we get the value of determinant A, which is 2. We just need to substitute, and then adjoint of A, which is we have transposed it before, and then we just need to multiply with 1 by 1 inside the matrix, and we get the A inverse. Okay, we're going to reach the end. So this step 3, we have to rewrite the A inverse into the calculation of D equals to A inverse times X, and then we need to break the encrypted message into 3 by 1 matrix like this one, and after that we will multiply both A inverse and matrix X, and we get this answer. So for the last step, which is step 6, we're going to expose the hidden message using this numerology table. Okay, we have before the encoding matrix D, which we obtain by the equation of A inverse multiplied by X. We get 19, 20, 1, 25, 0, 8, 15, 13, and 5. And we're going to expose it. And we have here STAY space HOME. Okay, which is the hidden message is stay home. Okay, that's all from me and Afika. Thank you.